Hey guys, welcome back to Jade's Awesome Videos. And today in this video I'm going to show you my newest slime that I made over Valentine's Day. So let's get right into this video. So here's the slime. This slime, it's called Unicorn Crunch for a reason. Because inside the slime there are two shotgun charms and they're both cakes. The strawberry cake and a chocolate cake. So let's get right into this video and show you what the slime looks like. So here's a close-up of the slime. It's very bubbly on the top. So if I can find the charms inside of this slime, I will show you what they actually look like. Found one. They're kind of stuck in the slime. There we go. It's a little bit still in this one. Okay, so here are the two charms. Here's the chocolate cake and the strawberry cake, which comes with the slime. And inside the slime, they will be like these little crystals and then little beads. So now that you know what the slime looks like and what it comes with, let's get right into some ASMR. Now this slime is very clicky and very stretchy. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe if you love this video. And parents, please get your child to watch this video and subscribe to my videos. And this slime will come in 3 different colors. You get light pink, dark pink, and red, basically Valentine Day colors. And I call it unicorn slime because it has like all these little colorful stuff inside of it. And then it's called cake slime because it's very, very thick slime. And so you can put the charms inside of it, mix it up. I like to keep the charms inside of it because it's kind of a surprise to find the charms. I don't really mind the hardness of them inside of the slime, but if you do, you can always keep them out. So basically, that's all I have for you guys today. So again, please like, subscribe, and get your children to watch this video. And if we can get this video of how many likes, I'll make another video with all my slimes in one collection. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!